something a little bit different for the Scorpios today. And that is, if there's nowhere to get to for today, let's just focus on today. If there's nowhere else for you to be and there's nowhere for you to get to in your life, how can you live your life? What are the decisions that you'll make today? How would you feel today if it's not about getting anywhere else? If it's not about waiting for doors to open so you can finally go somewhere, how would your decisions change? Now, you could look at this in two ways. One, a lot of people throw their hands up in the air and go, well, that's shit, because I thought I was going to get X, Y, Z, and so they've missed the whole point of this exercise, so maybe it's not for them. Two, then there are some of you that will go, oh, that's interesting. If I didn't keep giving my attention to this idea that tells me I should be somewhere different, which is what drains me more than anything else, I would actually get to be in the present moment. I can look around and feel and, wow, I'm here in this moment. The trees can be a little bit greener. There's a brightness in the sky. I can feel myself in this present moment. If I stop trying to get somewhere else 24 hours a day, what decisions do I then have access to? That's not just a game changer. That is a life changer.